Be positive, have fun. These are Phil's guidelines for being a good OTS member.
All right, well, in addition to these, keep in mind Zach's guidelines for being a good OTS member. Show up and shut up. All right, who wants to go check out the squirrel nest that Phil found outside? Let's go. Hey guys, thanks for coming by. So unfortunately I have some bad news. Well, we got our TPS reports today and the news is not good. Basically, we're not making any money. We're spending way too much. We're in a recession, our profit margins are way down. We gotta make some cuts and we gotta do it fast. Bottom line is this. Right now we have 4 hosts. In 2 weeks, there will be 2.
That is not correct.
You're joking, right? This is horse shit. I mean, now I got to show up to meetings like dressed up as Alex Trebek here.
That is correct, actually.
Where did you get? Where did he come from?
Well, frankly, Spano, there have been some complaints. Well, we've actually had a couple of sexual harassment complaints, and well, there's been a few lawsuits. Hey.
Oh, it's another one.
Another one?
Yeah.
You know I take these claims very seriously.
Sure, yeah. Well, see you soon.
Oh! I can't believe somebody would deface my whiteboard like that. It's. I'm sorry, I need a moment. I need a moment. Rest assured, I'm gonna find out who did this. I'm coming for you.
All right, guys, thank you for coming in. Unfortunately, I have some bad news. We've ran the numbers, and we're just not financially solvent right now, nor are we liquid. Bottom line is this. We have 4 hosts currently, and in 2 weeks, there will be 2.
I'm so sorry.
Lisa, I wouldn't be so quick to assume that you're irreplaceable.
Excuse me? Oh, tell that to my mother. Tell that to Sapano Heffenweisen, whatever his last name is. You know what I'm talking about.
I'm missing the MLB playoffs for this.
Calling my lawyer, and my mom, and my aunt, my first grade teacher. Narian. Probably have to run by Safeway today.
I think that seems a little excessive.
Don't tell me what is excessive. You know what's excessive? Firing me. Who else are you cutting?
Well, we're definitely going to be making some cuts in the audio department. It's a quality issue at this point, I would say.